Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubraj. As usual, today also I'm here to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future. It's a weekly update from 20th March to 24th March 2023. How did you do last week? I believe that you have followed my last week video and then you might be profitable. Last week I predicted that the market it will be bullish and exactly as my prediction it became bullish and then I hope that you might be profitable. Okay, if you are not profitable, if you missed that last week trade, then no need to worry, just follow this week. Do your own research before making any investment decision and trade with the planning so you will be profitable. So what I would like to mention for this week is that it is going to be highly volatile for this week. So that just be careful about your trade size. If your trade size is big, even if you are in the right direction, you will be exited from the market, and after that the market goes in your direction. That's the reason. Be very careful for this week. Let's quickly check what major news or event in this week we are expecting. Let's check those data or the news, and after that I'll come back to this chart and then analyze and predict for this week 20th March to 24th March. Alright guys, so the major data of the week: Monday we don't have any major data. Tuesday existing home sales and crude oil inventory. Wednesday Fed interest rate decision and FOMC press conference. It is going to be major event. Thursday initial jobless claim and new home sales, and Friday there is no major data. Let's go back to the chart and then analyze and predict. Alright guys, at the moment the price that is 12,520 this level, and it is immediate, just above the immediate support level that is in 12,400 level. Okay, so just 100 level above the immediate support level. Okay, and we have resistance level, that is strong resistance level in 12,700 level, that is strong resistance level. Okay, so how it will move for this week and how we have to trade for this week. I believe that everyone the bank crisis. Because of that banking sector crisis, market is being highly volatile. And considering that crisis, Fed conference, we can see some positive market policy we are expecting to make the market stable. If other banks also collapse like Silicon Valley, then it will be bizarre situation, very difficult situation. Already some action we have seen, and then market has reacted on those actions, and then confidence level that has been increased. So at the moment we are not expecting any tightening economic policy, and we are not expecting 0.50 interest rate rise for this week. So as a whole, all of these stuff they signify that market is not going down. It is difficult to go down. We can see some pullback up to 12,400 this level. As it comes to 12,400 level, what I suggest is that small trade size start, put your stop loss in 12,350 this level and go in buying side. Before going there, you need to understand that whether 12,400 that support level holds or not. If that support level doesn't hold, market that will go in bearish side. Okay, market in bearish mode. So change your strategy and go in selling side from that. Okay, put your stop loss of 50 point 12,450 that area and go in selling side. But it is unexpected to cross this 12,400 level. I believe that it will hold. It will hold. If it doesn't, I don't recommend anyone to go for buying side. We need to sell because trader sentiment that will be negative. Okay, so you need to sell if it doesn't hold 12,400 level, but do not be confused with false breakout. Okay, if it is false breakout, the situation is different. Don't be confused with the false breakout. Okay, so for this week, if it holds, then from this level you have to buy. And next thing is that when the market open, then you can see how it moves. If it is going down, wait until 12,400 level, and from there you can buy. But if it shows the bullish move, and if it is moving, or if it is trading over moving average, 1 hour moving average, then you have to start buying. At the moment, it is trading just below moving average. Check this line. Check this line. This is the moving average. Yeah, here this is you can see this green line. This is the moving average, and it's a 1 hour candle. It is trading below. If it is trading below, don't trade at the moment. Don't go buying side. Just wait to reach the 12,400 level. Okay, and when it reaches there, then it is your buying opportunity. And if it cross this moving average and going up, then you can start buying from that level also, and check whether 12,700 level that will cross or not. If it cross that level, then you'll have another buying opportunity. Okay, but if it doesn't, then wait and see. If it doesn't, then it might be your selling opportunity. If it can't cross this 12,700 level, from that level you can sell. If it can't cross that, check whether it cross or not. If it doesn't cross, put your stop loss in 12,750 that level, and then go in selling side. But if it cross, then next level that will be 12,900, followed by 13,100. We can see that if 0.25 interest rate and a positive economic policy, then we can see around 13K in this week. Okay, but if we don't see any positive economic policy and 0.50 interest rate, market will definitely slump. Okay, it's a shake. It will slump. It will go down very fast. Going up, it will take time. Lots of pullback we can see, but going down straight, we can see straight. Very hard fall we can see. That's the reason we need to be very careful. And when we trade, we need to keep our stop loss. Okay, so let's go for the selling side. We already talked about selling, like if it fails to hold 12,400 level, we need to go for selling side. We need to go for selling side. Go for selling. Keep your stop loss 12,450 level, and it will go 12,200 this level. When it reaches this level, sell your half of the trade and change your stop loss in a break even 12,400 this level, and wait. When it crosses 12,200 level, when it can't hold a 12,200 level, go again selling side, open another trade, put your stop loss. It's a 50 level to 12,250 level, and this one also break even also, just a change that also in 12,250 level, and going selling side, you'll have a 2 trade. Check in 12,000 level. It is very, very strong support level, if it holds or not. If it doesn't hold, put your stop loss 12,050, and then what you can do is that just wait, okay, just wait, and if it can't hold this level, you can make another sell, another trade, put your stop loss 12,050 and go in selling side, and your stop loss from 12,200 from this level, just change it in 12,050, all of those three trades, okay, and wait until it reaches 11,100, wait until 11,800 level and exit all of your trade from this level. Okay, so this is the planning. We should have a lot of patience, we should trade carefully, we should wait and see to enter into the market. Right place, right price we need to have, otherwise we'll be in loss. So that need to trade carefully. Alright, now let's quickly summarize the video. Due to current market environment, bank crisis and Fed's decision as well as a projection, the market will be highly volatile for this week. If it is highly volatile, again I emphasize that just be careful about your trade size. 0.25 interest rate and positive economic policy will lead the market higher. We expect 0.25 interest rate and positive economic policy that will lead the market higher. But if there is a 0.50 interest rate, the market will slump. And if there is a positive economic policy, we can see very quick recovery. But negative policy and 0.50 interest rate, it slumps the market further down. Immediate support level at 12,400 level, and failing to hold this level will trigger to 12,200 followed by 12,000 level. Selling opportunity in 12,700. Check if it cross or not. If it cross, do not go in selling side. If it can't cross that level, it is very strong resistance level. If it can't cross that, then you need to go for selling side. Next, in 12,400, just sell from 12,700, wait until it reaches 12,400, and at that level that will be safe for another selling, and 12,200 another selling with the target 12,000. Just find out the safe side and then sell. Okay, buying opportunity at 12,400, whether it holds or not, that's the major thing. Okay, so it is expected to hold. Okay, if it holds at that level, buy from that level. Okay, and wait until it reaches 12,700 level. Check the sell half of your trade, put your stop loss in break even, and wait in 12,700. If it cross that level, then you'll have another buying opportunity, and 12,900 another with a target 13,100. I believe that this video is helpful you to analyze and predict for this week. If you believe it is a really useful video, thumb up, and if you have any question, write down in the comment section, and subscribe the channel, so every week I will make this type of video. Check the video, compare with your planning, and trade carefully. It helps you to be profitable. Thank you very much for watching.